The intricate relationship between testosterone and our overall well-being has been a subject of scientific fascination for decades. Testosterone, a pivotal hormone, serves a myriad of functions within the human body, including the regulation of muscle mass, bone density, and the production of red blood cells. Beyond these fundamental roles, testosterone also plays a significant part in cardiovascular health, making it an essential hormone to monitor, especially as we age. Research findings over the years have pointed to the fact that low testosterone levels may be associated with an elevated risk of heart-related issues. These issues encompass a broad spectrum of cardiovascular concerns, including heart disease, high blood pressure, unfavorable changes in lipid profiles, and reduced exercise capacity. Heart disease, a leading cause of mortality worldwide, is closely intertwined with low testosterone levels. Studies have indicated that individuals with diminished testosterone levels may face an increased risk of coronary artery disease and heart attacks. Similarly, hypertension, a well-known risk factor for heart disease, can be influenced by testosterone deficiency. Testosterone plays a role in regulating blood pressure, and its scarcity can contribute to high blood pressure, exacerbating heart health concerns. Furthermore, low testosterone levels can lead to unfavorable changes in lipid profiles. This includes elevated levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and reduced levels of HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. Such alterations in lipid profiles can accentuate the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become narrowed and hardened, ultimately impacting cardiovascular health. The influence of testosterone on muscle strength and endurance should not be underestimated. Reduced testosterone levels can lead to diminished exercise capacity, potentially affecting heart health. A lack of physical activity can contribute to weight gain and the development of obesity, another risk factor for heart disease. Given these intricate connections between testosterone levels and heart health, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, has emerged as a potential solution for individuals with low testosterone levels who are at risk of heart-related complications.